Ever found yourself scrolling through travel blogs, dreaming of far-off adventures, and then that little practical voice pops up asking, "How am I actually going to pay for all this?" If you're a Westpac customer, that little voice might be wondering, "Can I even use my Westpac account overseas?" Well, you've landed in the right place because today we're diving deep into the international capabilities of Westpac. It's a question many Australians ponder as they plan their global escapades, and the answer, like many things in life, isn't a simple yes or no. Let's start with the good news. Generally, yes, you can use your Westpac debit and credit cards internationally. They're equipped with features that allow transactions in foreign currencies. Think about swiping your card for a gelato in Rome, withdrawing local currency from an ATM in Bangkok, or paying for that must-have souvenir in Tokyo. In most cases, your Westpac card will work. However, there are crucial nuances to consider. It's not quite as seamless as using your card at home. One key aspect is fees. Using your card overseas often incurs international transaction fees. These can include a percentage of the transaction value and sometimes a fixed fee per withdrawal. These fees can add up, so it's wise to be aware of Westpac's specific international transaction fee schedule before you jet off. You can usually find this information on their website or by contacting them directly. Another important point is letting Westpac know your travel plans. This might seem like an extra step, but it's a vital security measure. If Westpac detects unusual activity on your account from an overseas location without prior notification, they might temporarily block your card to prevent potential fraud. You can typically inform them of your travel dates and destinations through their online banking portal or mobile app. A quick notification can save you a lot of hassle and prevent your card from being unexpectedly frozen while you're trying to enjoy your trip. Currency conversion is another factor to keep in mind. When you use your Westpac card overseas, the transaction amount in the foreign currency will be converted back to Australian dollars. Westpac will typically use a foreign exchange rate, and this rate might include a margin. Understanding the exchange rate and any associated fees can help you manage your spending effectively. Beyond cards, Westpac offers other international banking services. For larger transactions or transferring money to overseas accounts, you might consider options like international money transfers. These services often have different fee structures and exchange rates compared to using your debit or credit card for everyday purchases. Exploring these alternatives could be more cost-effective for certain situations. It's also worth considering the specific country you're traveling to. While major international payment networks like Visa and MasterCard are widely accepted globally, acceptance can vary in more remote locations or smaller establishments. It's always a good idea to have a backup payment method, such as a small amount of local currency, especially when venturing off the beaten path. While Westpac cards generally work internationally, it's essential to be proactive. Familiarize yourself with the international transaction fees, inform Westpac of your travel plans, understand the currency conversion process, and consider alternative international banking services for larger transactions. A little preparation can go a long way in ensuring your overseas spending is smooth and stress-free. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.